y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a cook and clean with me. I have a little bit of cleaning to get done today and some laundry. And then I'm also going to be doing Crocktober. I love crock pot recipes. I make them all the time anyway, so I thought it'd be really fun to participate in that. Every Saturday, I either make a crock pot recipe or a bunch of appetizers because football is on and me and my husband are huge football fans. I am Tennessee. He's an Alabama fan. He likes Tennessee too, but his number one is Alabama. Anyways, so today I'm going to be making potato soup. It's one of our favorite recipes, so I'm going to share that with y'all. And I think that's all I have today for this video. But I came up here to get clothes for my daughter, and I find myself sitting in her little rocking chair in her bedroom. So I am going to grab her some clothes, and then I'm going to make some coffee because I definitely need some coffee, and then I'm going to get started on everything. Okay, here's everything that you need for the potato soup. You got hash browns. I'm only gonna use half of this onion. 2 things of chicken broth, cream of chicken, pepper, and cream cheese. So you just throw all this stuff in the crock pot and you let it cook for 5 to 6 hours on low. You don't add this until like 30 minutes before it's done, and you just mix it all together, and that's your potato soup. I'm making some iced coffee and I just wanted to share this coffee with y'all. If you have never tried it, you have to try it. I get it from TJ Maxx. I don't know if you can get it anywhere else, but it is like the perfect fall coffee. It's not too much pumpkin, but like just enough pumpkin if you're not like a big pumpkin person, which I'm not really, but if you can find it, you have to try it. Y'all, I love days like today. Clean house. I got a fall wax melt in my warmer, potato soup in the crock pot, football on the TV. I seriously love this time of year. From now until the end of the year is my absolute favorite. Here it is finished. And I add cheese and bacon and sriracha, and it's delicious. All right, y'all, that is it for today's video. I will post the recipe for the potato soup in the description below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I will see y'all next time.